Standard 11 exercise 1.5. The measurement value of length of the simple pendulum is 20 centimeter, known with 2 millimeter accuracy. The time for 50 oscillations was measured to be 40 seconds with 1 second resolution. Calculate the percentage accuracy in the determination of acceleration due to gravity from the above measurement. Okay. Now here what you have to calculate is the percentage accuracy in determination of acceleration due to gravity. So you have to use the formula for acceleration due to gravity of a simple pendulum. Okay. For that, what are the things given here is length of the simple pendulum is given. What is given here? The length of the simple pendulum is given. So length of the simple pendulum is equal to that is L. L is given as how much? 20 centimeter. If you write it in terms of meter, it is 0.2 meter. Okay. And accuracy is given. Accuracy for the length is given. So accuracy is equal to 2 millimeter. So if you write it 2 millimeter in terms of meter is 0.002 meter. Okay. Then what else is given? Time for 50 oscillations is given. So time for one oscillation we have to calculate. So time for 50 oscillations is how much? 40 seconds. So 40 seconds divided by 50. This is for 50 oscillations is 40 seconds. So therefore one oscillation it is 40 by 50. That is 0.88. Okay. Then what is given? Accuracy is given. Accuracy is given as how much? Accuracy for time is 1 second. Now you have to use the formula T is equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Okay. From that you have to find out the formula for G. So you have to find it out the acceleration due to gravity. Okay. The percentage accuracy in acceleration due to gravity. So for that I am going to square it. T square is equal to 4 pi square L by G. So G is equal to 4 pi square L by T square. Now I have to use the propagation of errors. So here from this formula I can use the propagation of errors as delta G by G is equal to, for 4 pi square there is no propagation of errors. So it is delta L by L plus delta T by T. It is T square. So 2 into delta T by T. Okay. Now what you have to find it out is what? Delta G by G. Now what is given? Delta L by L is given. What is your delta L value? That is 2 millimeter what? Accuracy. So it is 0.002. What is the length given? 0.2 plus 2 into. Okay. What is your delta T? That is 1 second accuracy. What is the time period given? 40. Okay, time for how many oscillations? 50 oscillations. So that is the time. Okay, so 40. Now what you can write it here? This is .2 divided by 20 plus 2 by 40. So what will you get here? If you take the LCM here, this is 20. So here it is what? This will be, this is 40. Here this is 0.4 plus 2. So it will get 2.4 divided by 40. That is 1.2 divided by 20. Okay. So 1.2 divided by 20 is 0.06. Now what you have to find it out is percentage of accuracy. Percentage of accuracy in G. Okay. So that is delta G by G into what? 100. Okay. So what is the delta G by G? 0.06 into what? 100. So what will you get? It is 6%. What will you get? 6%.